Welcome back to the Cromwell Belden Public Library's Virtual Writers Workshop. So if you're here with me today, that means you didn't wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday, July the 7th, but you're here with me. All right, so for those of you who did not guess the book where the prompts came from last week, it was Neverwhere by Neil Gaiman, and we did have a winner who I now owe a spiral notebook to. I'm going to give you prompts from another novel, something very different. So for those of you who would like to win a spiral notebook, make your best guesses. All right, prompt number 1. The city looked small on a map of America. You've got 10 minutes. In 3, 2, 1. Writing prompt number 2. Seems to me I have a choice of 2 things. You've got 5 minutes. In 3, 2, 1. Writing prompt number 3. The doors opened, smooth and swish. You've got 12 minutes. In 3, 2, 1. Writing prompt number 4. Good things come to those who wait. You've got 2 minutes. In 3, 2, 1. Writing prompt number 5. Doesn't need to be said right now. You've got 12 minutes. In 3, 2, 1. And you're done with week number 6. Very good. Your endurance is getting up there. You're writing for longer. And I bet if you look at that spiral notebook, it is almost full. Oh, which brings me to, if you can guess which book all of these prompts came from, I'll get you a spiral notebook. All right. Everyone should be a winner. So next week, in preparation for next week, I want you to read over everything you've written. I want you to highlight the sentences you love, maybe underline the sentences you hate, and put big box marks around the stories that you feel like you didn't quite finish or maybe need a little bit of work. All right? So start reading those notebooks, and I will see you next week.